Want to make a custom ringtone for your iPhone? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll teach you how to set any audio as your iPhone ringtone. Now let's get started. Before you begin, there are two things you'll need to have set up. The first is the audio editing app you'll need. We will be using the GarageBand app for this tutorial. It's made by Apple and totally free. It comes pre-installed on iOS, but if you've previously deleted the app, you can download it for free from the App Store. The other important thing to have is the audio you want to use for your ringtone. You can use pretty much any audio you'd like, whether that's a song, a voice note, or even audio you've taken from a screen recording. For demonstration today, we'll be using royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library, but you can use whatever track you'd like. Just have the audio file saved into your iPhone's Files app. Now, let's get into how to actually make your ringtone. Open up the GarageBand app. Tap Continue. Scroll sideways and select Audio Recorder. Tap Voice. Tap the metronome icon to disable the tapping sound on each beat. Now tap the audio track icon in the top left corner, the one that looks like bricks. Now tap the small plus sign in the top right corner. Select Section A. Tap the switch labeled Automatic. This will just allow you to set the length of your ringtone to be whatever you like without having a set number of bars you'll be limited to. Now tap the loop icon in the top right corner. Select Files. Now select the audio file you want to use for your ringtone. Drag the file onto your GarageBand timeline to begin editing your ringtone. Tap play at the top to hear what your ringtone will sound like. You can drag the start and end of your audio clip to trim it down to the piece of the song you want to use. If you're having trouble getting it to exactly the part you want to trim, you can use two fingers to zoom in on the timeline and get more precise with it. When you're done trimming your audio clip, drag the track all the way to the beginning of the GarageBand timeline so you don't end up with an empty section at the beginning of your ringtone. Note that your ringtone has to be 30 seconds long or shorter. When you're all done editing your audio clip, tap the downwards arrow in the top left corner. Then tap My Songs. Hold down the file you just created. In the pop-up menu, select Share. Now tap Ringtone. Set a name for your new ringtone, then tap Export. Your new ringtone is now ready to be set. To set the audio file we've just created as your ringtone, open your Settings app. Then select Sounds and Haptics. Now select ringtone, text tone, or another type of notification that you'd like to use this sound for. At the top of the ringtone list, you should see your new ringtone that you just created. Tap it to select it as your new ringtone for this notification type. That's all it takes to create custom ringtones using any audio file. To learn more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.